2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, dual rear wheels, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control. This is a top-rated dealer. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.